that's the ultimate off-road vehicle right there. I'm doing 55, 60 miles an hour. And this guy's, man, got, look at those big tires and everything. They got all their gear on the back. Now we're doing 60. Hold on, I gotta get the zoom back. Now we're doing 65. He's rolling, man. I didn't know those military vehicles were allowed to go that fast, but that's cool. Let's get up close. Gotta get in. I gotta get out of this lane. There we go. Now we're in behind him. Pretty cool. We've been hanging with each other for the last 5 miles. This guy is rolling in this vehicle, man. I'm not sure exactly the model of that 5-ton Gamma Goat style truck, but it's a 6-wheel drive. Pretty cool looking, man. He's hauling his own water tank. Sweet. Probably National Guard. In fact, there's another one coming up behind me. I just seen him. So these guys have been rolling pretty hard. I'm still doing 60, 62 miles an hour. All right. Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. What's happening here is I didn't go fishing because I had to work all day yesterday. But as usual, job came out of nowhere, and I was definitely going to go down for the money. But anyway, I got a phone call last night from a good friend of mine that his wife is in the hospital and she had a stroke. And you know who you are, my friend. We talked last night, and he wants me to go over because he doesn't have the time to go ahead and pick his vegetable garden. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. He's got an awesome vegetable garden, and anyway, he didn't want it to go to waste because he can't be there anymore to pick it up, pick the stuff out of the garden. So he just said, go get as much as you want. So that's what I'm going to go do. All right, let me get back to driving, and I'm going to give you a final video of this guy. And he's still moving, man. Hold on. There we go. Now I'm going to need to get around